welcome to today's video. We lost today, sadly. We lost about $97. Not too bad. 3.5 stop loss. Um, let's get into that in a little bit. First of all, let me show you this morning London session. I did not trade. If I would have, I could have made 12 points with 5 or with 10 contracts. Would have probably been 5, or I don't know. Can't really tell you what would have happened since it didn't happen. But this was situation from London this morning. London, we have zones showing a downtrend. We have a high getting swept. This was pre-market high. If we zoom out, we see, oh my God, what is this? Why would it do that? If we see uptrend and then a little bit of nothingness, so no clear direction. If we look at the 1 hour and the pre-mark, yeah, so we have a big candle down, basically. That's it. So we have this, what would you call this? Choppiness. So we zoom out, we go to our zones. That's literally London session every single day. No decision, excuse me. So when we see this right here, big move up, a liquidity sweep, big move down. I don't know if it's a liquidity sweep to be honest, but big move down. I mean, we have like a little bit of. Then I actually back tested this. Then a whole lot of dojis, and we finally break out the 5-minute zone with a fair value gap. Second fair value gap. That second fair value gap gets instantly retested, which is how we like to trade. Everything needs to happen instantly, instantly, instantly. For the past 2 weeks, nothing happened instantly. So, it's all good. We retest, we engulf, we close, we enter. This is 2.5 stop loss. Even if I didn't enter here, I would have entered here upon opening. 2.75 stop loss because of the invalidation, the wick right here. Boom. And we go straight down. We create a new fair value gap right here instantly, and that one gets never broken. Yeah. So we go down, boom. What is that? 11.75 points. Easy. That would have been a trade. I was not home. I couldn't take it. So sad day for me. On London session, we missed out. But again, previous 2 weeks, I only took 2 winning trades on London session. All the other days, either I didn't trade because the setup didn't occur, or I took a losing trade. Then we have this. Oh my God, look at this shit. Look at this choppiness. Like, I don't know what's happening these past few weeks, but it's always looking like this. So we have our 8 a.m. candle for 8 till 8:15. We have our zone midline, and then we have our 5-minute zone beautifully lining up with the midline. So if we break that zone below, we know it's going to go bearish. If it breaks above, we can almost assume it will keep going if our confluences line up, which, as we can see right here, never really happens. We have a whole lot of retests. Let's say we took a trade here. Like, I've been seeing this midline be retested a lot. We could have made a lot of points around that midline play, but I want to stay consistent with one strategy. So we play around, retest, and then as we can see here, it's always inside the zone. I want shit to happen outside the zone. Like, I would have want this gap to be retested, for instance, to then move up. So then we have all this. Then here it's almost 5. So we're not supposed to take trades after 5. Like, from 5 is what, 11? So what happens was we have a fair value gap inside the zone. We have a second one that pushes a candle to fully open and close outside the zone. We then retest it. If you can see, we retest it right here. So we retest the fair value gap. We move up, we engulf, we close. Then I was hoping we would have closed about here. No, it pushes all the way up. So I was hesitant to enter because I was like, holy shit, how many points is this gonna be? So if we would have taken the trade here, it would have been still acceptable, 5.25 point trade. But I was like, I don't like that. So I waited, price comes back down, price goes up, price goes down, price goes up. Eventually we enter here. still above the engulfing, so still valid. We enter, and I leave the room. I was literally went to the other room, grabbed something, and I came back and I hear the beep, order filled. So yeah, we instantly got fucking triggered. And yeah, choppiness all across the board basically. Um, this could have been a good trade because the confluences lined up. For value gap, push a candle fully open and close, retest, engulf, enter, boom. Sadly, was not the truth. Did not happen. Past few days have not been that good. Mentally, I'm calm, I'm collected, but sadly, there's been no trades. I could have like forced trades, but I don't want to force trades because then you start gambling, and I don't want to do that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna stay strict to the strategy, stay patient, just wait. We have this new account. We're down $525 on a new account, which is not that good, of course, but who knows? Maybe tomorrow is what, Friday? I'm not sure if I can trade tomorrow. Yeah, I'm yapping. I'm yapping. Never mind. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Be patient.